Today I am reviewing the HP Omen 16L gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP Omen 16L gaming desktop is a powerhouse gaming machine built for gamers and content creators who demand performance, reliability, and style all in one package. From the moment you set your eyes on its sleek white chassis, it's clear that HP has designed this desktop with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. Compact enough to fit on most desks but packed with top-tier components, the Omen 16L offers a premium gaming experience without compromise. At the heart of this desktop is the AMD Ryzen 8700F processor, an 8-core, 16-thread CPU that clocks in at a 4.1 GHz base with a 5.0 GHz maximum boost. What this means in practice is flawless multitasking, smooth gameplay, and lightning-fast application launches. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos, this processor can handle multiple demanding tasks simultaneously without slowing down, giving you the freedom to push your gaming and creative projects to their limits. Paired with the CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5068GB GDDR5 graphics card, which delivers stunning visuals and ultra-fluid performance. This GPU makes the most of modern AAA titles, letting you enjoy high frame rates at Full HD or even QHD settings. With ray tracing capabilities and GDDR5 memory, the RTX 5060 provides an immersive, lifelike gaming experience, from realistic lighting and reflections to smooth animations during fast-paced action sequences. Memory and storage are also top-notch. The Omen 16L comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, which ensures rapid multitasking and snappy performance across all applications. This is more than enough memory to run games, record streams, and work on creative projects simultaneously without lag. On the storage side, you get a 1 TB PCIe SSD, providing lightning-fast load times, plus an additional 1 TB docking station storage set that's perfect for backing up files, storing multimedia, or expanding your library without worrying about running out of space. This combination of speed and capacity ensures that your desktop keeps up with your workload, no matter how intensive it gets. Cooling and connectivity have also been thoughtfully engineered. The CPU comes with an RGB air cooler, keeping the system temperatures low even during marathon gaming sessions, while adding a subtle customizable aesthetic. Networking is future-proofed with Wi-Fi 6, offering high-speed internet with lower latency, which is critical for online gaming and seamless streaming. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, giving you access to all the latest productivity and gaming features. The front and rear I/O options are extensive, including multiple USB Type-A and Type-C ports, HDMI, display ports, and audio jacks, making it easy to connect all your peripherals. The included bonus docking station set adds even more versatility with extra storage, cables, and adapters, so you have everything you need to expand your setup or connect external devices. In terms of real-world performance, the HP Omen 16L excels across the board. Games load quickly, frame rates remain high and consistent, and even resource-heavy tasks like video editing or 3D rendering run smoothly. The system is quiet under normal loads, and the RGB cooling adds a nice touch of style without being over the top. The combination of high-end CPU, advanced GPU, ample DDR5 RAM, and fast storage ensures that this desktop is ready for both current games and future releases. To sum it up, the HP Omen 16L is more than just a gaming desktop. It's a complete performance ecosystem. From AAA gaming to streaming, multitasking, and content creation, it delivers everything you could want in a premium system while maintaining an elegant, clean design. If you're looking for a desktop that balances power, aesthetics, and reliability, the HP Omen 16L is an excellent choice that will serve gamers and creators alike for years to come.